If you're thinking about buying a home in New York City, the timing of your purchase can feel just as important as the decision itself. After years of high interest rates and record asking prices, a lot of buyers have been waiting on the sidelines. And even when buyers feel ready, the question of timing can still seem overwhelming. In this video, we'll talk about what the data actually says about the best time to buy in New York City and how to use that information to your advantage. I'm Carlo Romero, and welcome back to StreetEasy Home School. Let's start with when buyers have the most options. In New York City, listing activity follows a pretty clear seasonal pattern. Spring is when sellers are the most likely to list their homes, which means more choices for buyers. In recent years, April has consistently seen the highest number of new listings, with total inventory peaking in May. And if you missed the spring rush, there's a second opportunity. October often brings a noticeable bump in inventory as sellers return to market after summer. Now, let's look at where savvy buyers often find a little extra value: price adjustments. After several years of elevated asking prices, sellers are increasingly meeting the market rather than discounting their homes. In 2025, buyers typically paid about 2% below asking price. During the same time period, more than 10% of sellers chose to adjust their prices proactively in an average month. For buyers, some of the best opportunities tend to show up in October as existing listings and new sellers look to attract serious buyers before the holidays. May is another key moment when sellers who want to move before summer are often more open to realistic offers from serious buyers. Now, what about competition? Historically, the most competitive months are January through March. Buyers come out energized after the holidays, but listings haven't fully caught up yet. That imbalance drives competition and often higher prices. Meanwhile, October through December tends to be the least competitive stretch of the year. Fewer buyers are actively searching, which can give you more leverage at the negotiating table. So, is now a good time to buy? The truth is, there's no single perfect time that works for everyone. Buying a home isn't just a market decision, it's a personal one. It depends on your financial situation, your lifestyle, and where you see yourself for the next 5 to 10 years. That said, understanding market seasonality and working with an experienced buyer's agent can help turn good timing into a real advantage. A buyer's agent represents your best interests, not the seller's, and is focused on getting you the best deal possible. Contact our complimentary StreetEasy concierge at the link in the video description to get matched with a buyer's agent. We look forward to helping you unlock life's next chapter. Thanks for watching.